Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. So I hope you've watched my video of Kerala. From Kochi I am traveling further to Tekri. So at Tekri there is a lot to do and we'll enjoy doing each and everything. So be there along with me. Tekri is an amazing place to be in and it's a hill station in Kerala as I already told you. While you're on a journey to Kerala and you're exploring the entire of Kerala, so Tekri is a place where the stay is kept short. The climate in Tekri is very pleasant, it keeps raining as well as it is sunny. You'll not feel hot at all. So in this video I'll show you how we went for a jungle safari in a boat as well as in a jeep. So let's go. Hey guys, please press the like button if you really like the video and please subscribe before going because it will be a big encouragement because I've put a lot of efforts in creating this video. So please do it. So as we are driving, you will see that the sceneries change from city to mountains and suddenly we are in the midst of the beauty of nature and amongst tea plantations. Look at this beauty. I am so mesmerized by all these things. I have seen tea plantations for the first time in my life and I was so happy. I was really feeling blessed. So Tekri is one of the most popular hill stations in Kerala. It is nestled among the Western Ghats in the Idukki district. It is situated in the Periyar National Park and is popular for its rich tea plantations and lush green forests. It's a haven for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts like me. There is a wide range of activities and things to do in Tekri that offer great fun for honeymoon couples, families and kids. So look at this, I've reached my homestay and it is called the Jungle Palace. I'll give you the details of Jungle Palace for you for booking if you want to go to Tekri because it's an amazing place just facing the Periyar forest right in the front and you can even spot animals right when you are staying in this place. So I found that very amazing and for a city person like me who doesn't get to see all these things in daily life, I would really suggest you all to come and stay over here. When it was so hot in Mumbai, it was raining and really cold in Tekri. So yes, I had gone during April. This forest is really beautiful. It's raining over here today. There were many animals which we spotted but we did not record it. So look at this wild monkey near our homestay and it makes an amazing noise too, guys. Even at Tekri you can go for a jungle safari. There is this Periyar forest which is so amazing and there are so many wild animals over there. You'll love it. We feel like we are staying right in the heart of the jungle. So next morning, we decided to go for this boat safari. The tourist center at Tekri offers 2 hours boating trips arranged by the Kerala Tourism Development Corporation. You need to pay the entry fees and parking fees when you enter the sanctuary area. The ticket per head is around 60 rupees. There are 4 boats and on an average a boat will take about 60 people. So there is limited seating. The seats are on first come first serve basis. To get a seat on the upper deck, stand 30 minutes before they start booking. So that's a tip for you. Ours was pre-booked by our stay in Jungle Palace homestay. Our host had already booked us tickets, so we got the upper deck seats. In this ride, it is mandatory to wear life jackets because many years ago there was an accident because of which people had drowned over here. It was because all the people stood up in the boats and everybody went to one side. So you have to create a balance in the boat while riding a boat. You cannot just stand and go to one place to another. You have to create a balance and everybody have to sit on their given seats. So please do not stand while going on this boat. So keep one thing in your mind, that while going for jungle safaris, you would not see all the wildlife unless you are lucky, because it's entirely upon destiny that these animals cross their way exactly when you are crossing from there. So it's very rare. So you would manage to see variety of different monkeys, some wild boars, wild buffaloes, bisons, elephants and variety of birds. Tekadi is an exceptionally gifted stretch of land when it comes to the beauty of nature. Greenscapes follow you everywhere you go, and this particular stretch of land in Periyar Wild Sanctuary is a treat to your eyes. So this boat safari would be for 2 hours, and that is really amazing because you'll have an amazing time and you will not know where these 2 hours have gone, and you'll be so engrossed in all these wildlife. So look at this, guys. This is a procession heading towards Sabrimala temple, which is an auspicious place for the Keralites. So people go walking to this temple in this procession. So the next morning we had to wake up really early. At 5:30 a.m. we had to go for a jungle safari. Yes, we have to get up that early, and it was really cold. It's really cold over here in the mornings. In the afternoon it's a little pleasant. So we headed towards the Gavi forest, which is also a part of Periyar forest. So we have to go on a jeep safari. So this jeep safari takes you to witness the Gavi forest, which is a jungle around a lake, known for its amazing and spectacular views. For about 3 hours you can enjoy a jeep safari that takes you through an adventurous ride. The jeep will also go about 5 to 7 kilometers off-roading, which will give you an adrenaline rush. You can come across many scenic spots of the Western Ghats where you can take some of the most memorable pictures. Also, you can be able to grab delicious breakfast and lunch along with enjoying a trek with a guide. So we spotted many animals over here, the wild buffalo as well as bisons and elephants. Some of the clips we did not capture of spotted deers and many other animals. So this is a long-tailed macaque, which is a rare monkey found in the Western Ghats over here in Kerala, and you can see how beautiful it is. So you have to go on a really long journey because spotting these animals is very rare, and you get to see these animals only if you're lucky. So going on a jungle safari does not mean that you will spot animals right in front of you like being in a zoo. You have to ride many hours and then you will spot 1, 2, 3 animals, and you have to really keep your head turning and twisting all sides 360 degrees, and only then you'll spot 1 or 2 animals. So it's like that, but it's fun, believe me. In the jungle it's so mesmerizing. You will feel like you are lost and you will feel like you don't want to go back again to the city. So after that we had a hearty breakfast and it was so amazing. So this is included in the price, which is around 2800 rupees. The breakfast was tasty. And then we went on a trek to the forest, and look at this jungle, this mountain itself was so beautiful, and the morning was really pleasant. I really love such mornings where I can be adventurous. So here we can spot the Sabrimala temple right from the mountain over here. So this is the religious place where people head towards, which we can spot right from the mountain top. So here we can see this touch me not or mimosa plant, and I really love touching it because it reacts immediately. Look at the beauty of the forest, and because it was raining that day, it felt so beautiful. All the fog and the beauty of this place made me feel lucky that I came over here. So now we are at the Periyar Lake. Exactly at this place we have to do another boat ride, which is a rowing boat ride. And here itself the breakfast also was served. There is a place where the breakfast is served right behind this, and the lunch also will be served over here itself. So breakfast and lunch, everything is organized at this place itself. So we don't have to worry about it. And the food is really amazing. So you can see how scenic the place is. It's really beautiful, and over here too we spotted many birds. So a lot of birds keep coming over here, and we get to see so many varieties. So every group is given a guide. So the guide will take you for a trek, as well as he will take you on the boat ride too. And they explain to you everything about the place, whatever you need to know, and they will give you some information related to it. So that was our guide who was rowing our boat, and he was an amazing guy who gave us a lot of information. So the languages which they know is Malayalam and English. So you have to communicate with them in these two languages. So here was a waterfall at the island over here. We can get down and have a dip in the water, and we can enjoy the waterfall. And again get back into the boat and come back riding on the boat. The waterfall here was really amazing, and it was really unexpected to have a waterfall in the month of April. So while we were just reaching the bank of the lake, it started raining, and it was so amazing. We got wet, but it was so amazing. The feeling was so good, and it was. So after that we had our lunch. We had idiyappam, which are rice noodles, and meen moili or fish moili. So fish moili is a coconut milk based dish which is made up of fish, and it tastes really amazing. And there were many other variety of food, but since I was not that hungry, I had only this much. But you all can have your fill. The buffet is kept ready for all of you to have whatever you feel like. So now we are coming back from the jungle. We are on our way back, and it was still raining on our way back, and we saw this Neel guy over here.
This is Neel guy, a bison.
And we even spotted a mother elephant along with its baby elephant, and they were walking together on the top of the mountain just parallel to us, and we really felt it was a mesmerizing sight, guys. At Tekri, we stayed right in front of the jungle and it was so amazing. In Tekri, I stayed at the Jungle Palace, which is a homestay right in front of the Periyar forest, overlooking it, and it was a wonderful homestay. I would definitely. So while booking for Tekri, go for the Jungle Palace homestay because it's very cheap in cost, and if you want a budget holiday, go for it. So we are back at our homestay and just take a look around, just look at this place. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful.
This is our room, our bathroom, main entrance, the jungle. First floor, ground floor. Balcony, the swing, our room.
So you can search for the place on Google and you can go right here and enjoy your stay because the person over there does all the bookings for the jungle safaris as well.
Sambar deer just in front of our hotel. Wow.
This is not the end, guys. I am coming up with another video of Tekri for the Kalari fight and the tribal dance as well as the tea trail to the tea garden. So the next video will be all about that. So don't forget to watch my video. So press the bell icon so that you can get to see the video immediately after I upload it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.